Long ago, in the age of the Crusades, the Knights Templar guarded a secret. It was not just gold or relics, but a prophecy. A vision of a figure they called the White King, a ruler who would one day rise to restore balance and usher in a new era. For centuries, this prophecy has lingered in hidden manuscripts and whispered traditions. And now, many wonder if its time is near. Some believe the White King walks among us today, in the form of Prince William. The Templars wore white, the color of purity, of divine light, of kingship ordained by heaven. To them, Christ was the eternal White King, the one they served above all earthly lords. But in their esoteric teachings, the White King was also a prophecy, a future sovereign who would rise not by conquest, but by destiny. A king who would embody spiritual authority and restore a sacred order to the world. In the language of alchemy, the White King symbolizes albedo, the stage of purification, illumination, and rebirth. He is the King of Light, the healer of the land, the one whose very presence restores harmony. Throughout the ages, mystics wrote of this archetype as the hidden sovereign, a ruler waiting in the wings of history, destined to appear when the world most needed renewal. And now, the eyes of prophecy turn toward Prince William. Raised within the legacy of kings and carrying the name William, a name tied to rulers of destiny, his path seems ordinary. Yet esoteric thinkers suggest something deeper, that William may be the vessel of the White King archetype, a living symbol of the purified sovereign foretold in Templar lore. Not merely a monarch of Britain, but a king in the prophetic sense. A ruler whose reign could mark the turning of an age. The White King is more than legend. He is an archetype, a dream of a world restored, a promise of balance and divine justice. As the crown draws nearer to Prince William, the question grows louder. Is he the one the Templars foresaw? The answer lies not only in history, but in destiny. What do you think? Is the prophecy of the White King unfolding before our very eyes? Subscribe and ring the bell to explore more ancient mysteries that may be unfolding in our time.